In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in as a collaborator for SiteGround. Listen carefully as I explain these steps because I can create an account due to restrictions, but don't worry, I'll guide you through everything so you can easily follow along. So first, if the website you own added you as a collaborator, you should receive an invitation email from SiteGround. Then open the email and click the accept invitation button, and then this will take you to the SiteGround login page. Now, log in to your SiteGround account by clicking the login button on the upper right corner. So click on that, and then in here you'll need to enter your username and password, and then click the next button. And then after that, assumingly we have an access to the SiteGround. After logging in, go to the websites tab, and then you'll see the websites you have to access to as a collaborator. And then after that, click manage site to open the website's control panel. And then as a collaborator, you can edit files and settings, manage WordPress, upload and edit files, handle email accounts, and so on. And then after that, when you're done, log out for security reasons. To access the website later, just log into the SiteGround.com and then go to the website sections, and your collaborator access remains unless the owner removes you. And that's it. That's how you log in as a collaborator for SiteGround. So it's a simple process. Just accept the invitation, log in, and start managing the website. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.